feel relaxed and it's like it's loosened. It's all hard.
Okay, hard to go that side?
I want to improve my posture because I think it's affecting my body.
Very good. And feel better. I need kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
I want to improve my posture because I think it's affecting my body. It causes pain, especially here. Sometimes I feel lower back and here.
And how long have you had that?
I think my bad posture started when I was 14.
14 years old? Okay. How many years ago was that?
10.
10 years ago, okay. So you've been having this for 10 years now?
Yes, and I also I'm having a hard time to stand up straight, as you can see.
Okay, yeah.
Like people will always say, hey, your posture.
Right, right.
Stand straight or sit properly, but I'm really uncomfortable with straight.
Okay, all right.
Doesn't feel natural.
Okay, all right. And then put your chin in, so it causes pain, discomfort.
Here.
Okay. Look up there. There, painful. Neck, in the neck. Turn it up to the right.
Nothing's painful, but I feel like it's all hard.
Okay, hard to go that side?
Yeah.
Okay, now turn it up to your lower back. Okay, to the right side. Left side. Right here. Take a deep breath in for me, please. All the way out. There we go. There you go. Perfect. First time, huh?
Yeah, so good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Put your thumb right here. Good.
Yeah, good.
On your back, yeah. Let it go.
So, I'm about to sleep now.
Any difference there?
It's easier.
It's easier?
Yeah.
Cool. Different there? Sure, go ahead. Go further. You can go further. Other stuff.
It's okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's more easier now.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now turn left and right. Different. And look at the side.
Easy.
Good?
Yeah. Feel relaxed and it's like it's loosened.